Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are excited to showcase the latest trends in staircase designs, perfect for adding a touch of modern elegance to your home. We will explore a variety of innovative styles from sleek, minimalistic floating stairs that create an airy, open feel to bold, sculptural designs that serve as stunning focal points. You will see the use of cutting edge materials like glass, steel, and sustainable woods, as well as creative lighting solutions that enhance both safety and ambience. We will also highlight smart storage solutions integrated into staircase and unique railing designs that blend functionality with artistic flair. Whether you are renovating your home or building from scratch, these contemporary stair design ideas will inspire you to elevate your space. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more design inspiration and tips. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.